If you've been thinking of becoming a virtual assistant, but kept asking yourself, how can I get hired when I don't have an experience? Then this video is for you. Have trained aspiring virtual assistants, have reviewed countless portfolio and seen firsthand why some get clients and other get stuck for months. The truth is, most beginners are focusing on the wrong thing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to position yourself as a virtual assistant, even if you don't have any professional experience, and exactly what clients are looking for when hiring. But before we dive in, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Akande Ayoade, and I help aspiring virtual assistants develop skills, confidence, and systems they need to build successful career. Over the years, I've worked with and trained individuals who started with little or no experience and went on to secure opportunities as virtual assistants. So if you are starting from the scratch, you are in the right place. So I'm going to talking about 5 things you need before you get your first client as a virtual assistant. Number 1, stop looking for experience and start building proof. One of the biggest misconceptions in virtual assistant industry is that you need years of experience before clients will hire you. That is not true. What clients really want is proof that you can actually do the work. For example, if you say you can manage calendar, then you have to create a sample calendar that you can show to your clients as proof that you can really manage a calendar. If you say you can manage emails, then you need to create email management projects that you can show to your clients as a proof that you can actually do the work. Peradventure, you said you can organize files, then you need to create sample file management system that you can show to your clients as a proof that you can actually do it. Clients cannot see your potential, but they are ready to check your proof to know if you can actually do the task. So instead of asking yourself, how do I get experience? Then you need to start asking yourself, how can I demonstrate my skills? One of the biggest mistakes most aspiring virtual assistants make is believing they need years of experience before applying for job. The reality is that many clients are looking for someone who is organized, reliable, and teachable. I've seen students spend months taking course after another, yet they could not build a portfolio and they ended up losing lots of opportunities. Number 2, you need to learn skills that clients are actually paying for. Most beginners spend months learning random tools but never stop to ask what clients actually need. Most clients are looking for help with tasks like email management, calendar management, files organization, customer support, data entry, internet research, travel coordination, and project coordination, amongst others. Did you notice something? Most of these I listed are organizational skills, not highly technical skills. That means that you need to focus on becoming excellent at the fundamentals before chasing every new tools that apply online. 3, choose a niche earlier than you think. This is where most aspiring VAs slow down their growth. The truth is that most clients are likely to hire a specialist than a generalist. So instead of saying, I am a virtual assistant, try saying, I help busy executives manage their calendar or inboxes. Or I help coaches with client communication and scheduling. The more specific you are, the easier it is for you to get clients and the easier it is for clients to understand how you can help them. 4, create a professional presence. Before applying for jobs, ask yourself, if a client searched for me today, what would they find about me? So you don't need a fancy website, but you need 1, a professional LinkedIn profile, 2, a well-organized portfolio. 3, a clear service offering. And lastly, a professional email address. Remember, clients are not just hiring skills, they are hiring confidence, professionalism, and trust. Your online presence should communicate all three. The fourth thing you should do is that you need to learn how to find clients before you need clients. Yes, this step is what most people ignore. They spend months learning skills, building portfolio, but never learn how to market themselves. So you have to start learning how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, how to network professionally, how to write proposal, how to position your services, and how to use freelance platforms like Upwork, freelance.com, and Fiverr. Because getting clients isn't just about being skilled, it's about being visible. The most talented virtual assistants in the world can still struggle if nobody knows that they exist. Notice that nowhere on this list did I say you need 5 years of experience, 10 certification, or dozen of completed projects. What you need is proof, skill, positioning, professionalism, and visibility. That is what gets you closer to your first clients. If there is anything I want you to remember from this video, it is that you don't need experience to start. You need skill, proof of those skills, and the confidence to put yourself out there. Every successful virtual assistant starts as a beginner. The difference is that they took action while others kept waiting until they felt ready. If you are serious about becoming a virtual assistant, leave a comment below and tell me what is currently holding you back. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because I'll be sharing practical virtual assistant tips, tools, and strategies to help you grow your career. I will see you in the next video.